U.S. Stock Market Overview, July 8, 2025. Thank you for reading our news. Please like and follow us for daily news updates. Market Recap. On Tuesday, July 8, U.S. stock markets saw broad declines as investors reacted to new tariff announcements. Trade policy headwinds. President Trump announced 25% tariffs on imports from 14 countries, including Japan and South Korea, effective August 1st. He also signaled BRICS-aligned nations might face additional duties, unless negotiations lead to exemptions. While markets held their ground initially, expectations of diplomatic flexibility and a precedent for reversing tariffs kept downside-limited overall sentiment weakened. International market response. Despite US declines, Asia-Pacific stocks showed resilience. Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rose, supported by calming currency and oil dynamics. European shares traded flat, reflecting wider indecision as investors balanced tariff fears with possible deal-making. Noteworthy equity moves. Tesla TSLA continued to underperform in line with tech losses, trading lower after a 6.8% drop on Monday. Japanese automakers, Toyota and Honda, declined approximately 4% each following tariff announcements, worsening export sentiment. Gold and oil. Gold remains steady, reflecting safe haven demand, but crude prices eased marginally after initial tariff-driven rally. Trader advice. Hedge tariff exposure, use defensive option strategies, or reduce positions in trade-sensitive stocks like export-oriented tech and autos. Monitor diplomatic signals. Markets stayed calm due to perceived flexibility. Any hardline threats post-deadline may warrant preemptive positioning. Seek safe haven exposure. Consider adding allocation to gold or consumer staples if trade tensions persist. Watch global markets. Strength in Asia suggests potential rotational trades. Consider cyclicals in those regions to offset US weakness. Stay nimble around events. August 1st deadline could trigger another leg lower. Use tight stops and validated thesis before entering. Markets pulled back Tuesday as fresh tariffs rattled sentiment. However, resilience in Asia and cautious optimism around negotiations kept volatility contained. Traders should balance defensive hedging with selective tactical exposure while closely monitoring diplomatic developments.